Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send fake location on WhatsApp. So guys, if you want to send fake location to someone on WhatsApp, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open your WhatsApp, and after this open the contact whom you want to send the fake location. And once you are here, you have to simply tap on this plus icon and now tap on location from here, and from here you can see you can send your current location and you can share your live location. Since you want to send a fake location, you have to simply search for that location in this search box. Here I am searching for this location, and once you are here you will see that location which you have searched. Here you can see this. Here is the location which I have searched, and now tap on the location, and here you can see this, the location has been sent. So guys, here you can see this, you can send fake location from here as well. So guys, in this way you can also send fake location on WhatsApp. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.